Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 25th, 2021. We're going to show you all probably the best Spac that is able to be bought on Robinhood. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video. You can also subscribe to our channel. We would like for you to tap that bell just because we want you to become notified of whenever we upload our price predictions in this particular platform, because we need to make sure that we are in position right before the trap pulls up on price. Now you might be saying, who is trap? Well, the trap is someone that we created. You know, we need to put a visual image on the individual who moves the market, and he is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. That is the criminal. He's the crook. He's trying to get all of us in some very bad positions so that he can continue to fill his pockets. We follow him. That's it. We simply follow his direction. He lays down clues for us on the price chart. And as you all can see, this particular Spac doesn't have that much history, but we can still play on that. So make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Now, this particular Spac right here is VPC Impact Acquisitions. Ticker symbol is VIH. Okay, this particular Spac is trying to enter the cryptocurrency realm. It is trying to merge with Bakkt, which is a US digital cryptocurrency exchange that also do custodial services for those large institutions. And Bakkt also is a subsidiary of ICE, the International Continental Exchange. So there is a lot of interest on this particular Spac right here. It is anticipated that this Spac is going to merge with Bakkt relatively soon. Hence, that's why you can see on this weekly time frame, this week right here of January the 4th, 2021, the market shot higher because of anticipation that once the merger occurs between VPC Impact Acquisitions and Bakkt, that the market should go higher than where it is right now. So let's just see if that's the case. All right, let's start off in the market for VIC on the daily time frame. Okay, so you all can see 1 unit of share in every Spac starts at $10, and you all can see that the market initially started right there around $10. Okay, so that's how you know on the price chart that it's a Spac. It starts around $10. Now you guys can see that the recent movement on January the 8th is where the market in VIC shot higher in price. I mean, the market went up 58.31%. Massive. And since then, yeah, we saw the market dip, no doubt. But where did the price go? Where did the price come in and hold some support? Did you say around $14 to $14.50? You're exactly correct. So we have an idea as to where the trap wants to prop up the market, right? So let's do it here. Okay, so we have an idea, a general area. This is not precise. Nobody can put the line precisely where the market is holding support. I'm just trying to give you all a general broad area as to where that support area is. So we got $14 to around $14.50. Okay, so here it is. So now that support line simply means we're just looking for the market to continue to trade above that. So long that continues, the market is anticipated to trade sideways or continue to go higher in price, right? So now let's look at this market on the 3-day time frame. You can see that, yeah, the market was weak over the last 2 completed 3-day price bars, but on the last one, we've got some support coming in. On the last one, the volume was lighter. That simply means that the volume of selling that came in on these last 2 completed 3-day price bars, that is almost gone. which means that the trap can now take the price to a different price level. Hence, why the market is anticipated to go higher in price. What about on the 5-day time frame? When you see this much volume come into the market and the market still is able to close above it, that simply means that the market is not ready to go lower than the close of that particular price bar, i.e. around $14, right? So we're not here to take a lot of your time. We're just simply here to give you all a plug, just to show you where the price is anticipated to go for this particular SPAC. Okay, VIH. So let's go ahead and do a price prediction real quick in the market for VIH, and we're going to play this on a daily time frame. Okay, now we want the market to be held around $14.50, but like we already know, $14 is the ultimate area of support. We break $14, this market in VIH is still weak. Okay, you would not be expecting the market to go higher than that. Okay, so let's do this. So this is what we're going to play with in this particular SPAC. Okay, we're going to expect the market to go high in price. Weekly time frame, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised for us to come back up to around $16.15, maybe even higher than that. In the long term, that is yet to be undetermined. All right, so that's why we're going to play this on the daily. So let's go ahead and let this play out into the market for VIH. And you guys got any questions or comments? There's a comment section on this particular video. If you guys think that the market is going to go lower in VIH, let us know. I mean, we're open to your opinions and criticism about something else that you might see on the price chart that we haven't talked about. So leave us a comment in the comment section, and as always, make sure you maintain that profitability. Now go and just simply trade different.